Alright, so let's get to the packs now. I'm kind of burnt out on Obsidian Flames, but man, I really love that little Charmander, so love the card. I just had to get it. I mean, like, you know, I'm just going to forever regret it if I do not have this little Charmander by my side. He is so freaking cute. And, you know, I mean, it just goes to show you, you really should have like 2 or 3 copies, because you never know what will happen or if your stuff's going to come out messed up. A mile wild. Houndoom. Stunfisk. Swablu. Victini. Little Victini. So cute. I don't know how I'm feeling about the Obsidian Flames, honestly. Like, man. I really hope we get like a Clefairy or something, you know, like something super cute. Or maybe the Charizard make it worth it. But I don't know. Just for the frickin' this guy, it is worth it, you know? Because he's, I don't know, I think like $17, maybe pushing $20 almost. So if you can retain the $20 of value and still open your whatever 9-10 packs, however many is in here, I say that's a pretty good day. You know, so I'll do it. I don't care. And I really like that Charmander. I mean, like, I freaking love that Charmander, so. Man's got to do what man's got to do. And if a man's got to open a bunch of Obsidian Flames to freaking obtain the expensive Charmander, then so be it. It's kind of like the Shrouded Fable. I'm really looking for that Greninja box because, like, I refuse to pay over, or that much over retail. I pay $40 for it because, like, if I could get it for, like, $40, $45 with free shipping, I don't think that's that bad because everyone has been charging after shipping, like, $40-ish anyways, so I don't think that would be, like, the worst thing in the world if I just bit the bullet on that. But I don't really want to pay, you know, like, $50, $60 and then shipping on top of it, because then, first of all, you know, like, I could just figure out a way to get free shipping and not even have to worry about that. If I'm gonna still freaking be buying cards either way, but I don't know. It's a very cute one. I like that. I don't think this, yeah. Nothing good right here, just another Toxtricity and a freaking Energy. And how many packs do we got left? We got 4 more packs to go, and we've got 1 hit so far, and our Charmander. I think the last Obsidian Flames box I didn't really do too hot on either, so that might just go to show you, maybe don't freaking hit Obsidian Flames, because honestly, like, I've had really terrible luck with Obsidian Flames. I've pulled a lot of Obsidian Flames. I think that's the most that I've pulled, actually, out of everything, but it has, like, the lowest hit rate, and it's just like, dang, dude. First of all, like, there's not that many, like, super cute cards in there, and they're not really worth that much. So it's like, you know, if I'm going to spend the $4 or $5 outside of this guy, I think I'd rather really be hitting, like, Temporal Forces or something, because like I really like Temporal Forces. I like the cards that are in there. I like Paradox Rift. I like Paldean Fates, but you know, I mean, everyone likes Paldean Fates. I think I even like Twilight Masquerade more than Obsidian Flames, minus, you know, maybe this and a couple other little things that they've came out with for it. Super cool. What? Freaking gold fire energy? That's insane. Let's get a sleeve for this. Right as I was talking shit, something come along. Something comes along for us. It's a beautiful thing how that works, isn't it? Top loader. There we go. Freaking try doing it on camera and all of a sudden you can't get it in. That wouldn't be the first time that's happened. Bam. Look how super cool that is. I love it. Put that like right here. I don't know. Right there. Okay, we got 2 more packs. So let's see what we can do. Hopefully we can get maybe 1 more hit. And maybe I can get a couple of the other guys that I like. You know, the commons that I like. Because I haven't really been doing too hot on the commons that I personally like recently. And maybe that's just because I've collected everything from Obsidian Flames. So, you know, that might just be on me at this point. Okay, last pack. Let's see what we get. See if there's anything else that can make up for our terribly bent Charmander. The poor baby. Cute Togepi. Magnezone. Abominable. Flamigo. Salazzle. Palfin. Energy. Alright, so just kind of is what it is with that one, I guess. We didn't really do too hot right there. We'll go ahead and put Victini in a sleeve. But, I mean, like, legitimately, this is all that we did. And this right here is pretty decent, but meh. So, I don't know. Do what you gotta do with Obsidian Flames, but I think this right here is the only real worthwhile card for fucking around with Obsidian Flames at this point, because this guy is super cute and I think it's going to keep going up. This was just sheer luck, and I think this is only like $2 or $3, maybe $5, so